This is the third test. Again, I'm shooting it handheld without the assistance of my wife. So I have to have some assistance from the banana plugs and the clips, but that works. So this is the replacement battery from the one that I was looking at before, where I was getting inconsistent readings and it wasn't holding a charge. Taken straight as a replacement from the Walmart. So I'm going to show again that there's a difference in terms of the voltage readouts between the digital battery analyzer, the Centec, on this battery and the multimeter, which we did not see on the DieHard 805 cold cranking amp Group 49 battery. So as you can see, we have 12.42 volts on the battery taken off these terminals, right like this. We've also already put the clamps for the Centec. I verified that I didn't have any difference in reading between the clips on the battery versus using the other probes, and also that there was no difference in reading between where I mounted the clamps for the Centec analyzer onto the battery. There's no variation in terms of the result. So I'll turn this on. It'll go through its self-test again. 700 cold cranking amps. And it's on test. I'll note that it's 43 degrees out. Open circuit voltage for 100% stated charge battery at between 37 and 47 degrees should be between 12.52 and 12.55 volts. So the stated charge on this battery is not 100%. The health in this battery is indeed 100%. But notice what we see: 12.59 volts from the Centec versus 12.42 from the multimeter, which is a characteristic that we see on these side terminal batteries that we do not see on the top post batteries, such as the example that I did before. The other characteristic, 4.15 milliohms, not that different from the bad battery that we had before that wasn't holding charge. And cold cranking amp 643 out of 700, likely because the voltage is a little bit higher than the battery was before. But again, odd because we have a difference in voltage on these side terminal batteries that must indeed be due to the use of these steel posts as opposed to lead ones. Although looking at the lead posts on Amazon and other places, though the connection part is lead, it looks like the threaded portion of it is still steel for what that's worth. I suppose it's a friction connection at the top of the terminal that we're more interested in, at the interface between these two versus what the actual threaded rod is made of.